If you're looking for the boat that has it all, that you can go out for a day or a week with your family, I think you're going to find it here in the Azimut 42 Verve. The 42 Azimut Verve is powered by three 450 racing engines made by Mercury. The boat has a top speed of 45 knots. Cruise is around 33 knots. Some other key features in this aft area would be the fold-down bulwark, which creates a swim platform, but when it's in the up position as it is now, you've got a walkway into the boat. Other key features that make this 42-footer such a big boat is this large cockpit area. But some keys to this area are, I'm standing on a table that comes up, and I'll show you that in just a moment. And we also have an awning that comes out. Let me show you those two items right now. So as we're watching these items, now what this does is it saves space. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all the way up so you can see it in the table position. Take a look at the outside galley area. We have a Kenyan barbecue grill. We have freshwater sink. You'll also find storage underneath the grill. We have an ice maker. We also have refrigeration. And you have a little trash can underneath. Under here we have a cooler. Underneath the table area you have access to a number of different features in the bilge. Another key distinction on the 42 Verve is the see-through glass. And you can look through that glass as you're underway, or it can also help you when you're docking. We transition right into the helm area, and we've got two Raymarine glass displays. The engines have the joystick control. It also has the skyhook feature. You also have access to your bow thruster, throttle controls, syncing the motors. I mean, this will do it all. You've got some access to breakers here. And what's interesting on this boat is you have the three seating area here on the helm area. Let's walk forward. And as we walk forward, you'll notice there's two steps, and we'll see why when we go down below. But this is a large area for entertaining. We have a carbon fiber table up here, and you'll notice the really cool lighting, but very comfortable for a number of people to enjoy just sitting out here. You'll see we have JL audio speakers. But you also have the sun pads, so people can enjoy being up here in the sun. And if you don't want to be in the sun, you also have an awning up here, which is conveniently stored underneath these cushions. The boat has the amenities of the Azimut larger yachts. You'll notice the finishings are just beautiful. Melee equipment. You've got microwave, convection oven, Kenyan, burner. You've got your breaker panels in here. You've got access to start your engines, plus your air conditioning in here. What we have here forward is a table that converts down into a berth with a TV, 42-inch TV behind the mirrored finish. Your access to your table switches are right here. And what's very nice about the 42 is the oversized bathroom. You'll notice that is a full-size bathroom with a separate shower. Again, noting the luxury of the finishes. So the main feature down here is the master, which is located midship. Keeping in mind, this is a 42-foot center console. Again, I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax. Come by and stop by your local MarineMax store and come see the Azimut 42 Verve.